Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use the trim sheet command in Siemens NX. So let's start. First of all, you have to just go to surface and here lies the trim sheet command. As per the definition, it is going to trim off a portion of a sheet body. Basically, we need this command to trim off an extra portion from the sheet. Suppose if I just go to this command, so over here we will get the interface for this command. The very first thing is regarding the target, and this is going to be the body on which the trim sheet is going to be get applied. Basically, the target is going to be that body which is going to be get trimmed off. Then we have the boundary, and this is going to set the parameters that the body which is in the target, that how much it is going to be get trimmed off. Then we have the projection directions. We will understand with another example. This is going to be the basic example for this activity regarding the target and the boundary. So let's start. Here we have to select the target. So I do not need this area. Let me just highlight this. I do not need this surface. So I'm just going to trim this off. So for that, I'm just going to select this into the target. Then I'm just going to select this in the boundary. Now here you'll see the red portion which is getting highlighted. So this is the boundary for the green body. Now here we will get the icon for the region. Just click on this and it will highlight the region that whether you want to keep it or to discard it. If I click on discard and click on show results, then it will get trimmed. So this is how we can use the trim sheet command. So just click on OK and press home. Now let's check some other example so that we could have the better understanding of this command, whether how many sheets are going to be get selected in the target and how many can we select in the boundary. So basically you can select number of sheets in the target and number of sheets in the body. So I'm just going to select this one. Okay, just do one thing. And the sheet body, I'm just going to select this one and this one. And in the boundary, I'm just going to select this one. Now in the settings, we have an option of extend boundary object to target edges. So we will also understand about this option. Just click on region for now, and you can see we can select the multiple sheets in the target, and along with that, I have just selected one boundary. Now you can click on show results, so it will act like this. Now just click on undo result, and I'm going to reset the command. Now I'm just going to reverse this condition. In the target, I'm just going to select this one. And in the boundary, I'm just going to select this one and this one. Because I need to show you something, so we're just going to settings. And if I just untick this option, extend boundary object, now you can see here comes the asterisk, which means some star-like shape. So basically here comes an alert, which is related to this condition. Now it states that boundary object does not intersect the entire target sheet body. So if the boundary is not getting intersected with the boundary as a whole, that means not from this edge to this edge, then you need to activate this option. Just activate it and click on apply. Instead of apply, just highlight the region for once so that you can analyze that what regions are going to be get keep or discard. So I'm just going to discard this and this region, basically this and this region. Now click on OK. So this is the depth of trim sheet, like how many sheets you can select in the target and how many could be get selected in the boundary, then how to highlight the regions, how to keep it, how to discard it, and what is extend geometry to bounding objects. These all are the options in the trim sheet. Now let's check one more example. So just let me highlight this one. Now this is the example. So in these kinds of cases, always use the projection direction. If I just go to the target and this is the boundary. In the boundary, you can also select the curve. It's all up to you that whether you want to have the curve or the shade. Now I'm just going to align this along vector. So I'm just going to select this vector. Now click on OK. So this is how it is going to get trimmed off using the curve. So you can choose the curve also in the boundary. So that completes the trim sheet command. Let's have a quick recap. So here the body is going to be get selected, which is going to be get trimmed. Here the boundary, that means it is going to apply the constraint on the body, which is going to be get trimmed. Then we have the projection direction, and in the case of surface, always use normal to surface, and in case of curves, I do prefer the along vector. Then we have the region. We have thoroughly gone through this, and this icon will highlight the region. Then we have the extend boundary object to target edges. This is one of the most important point in the trim sheet. So we have covered all the options in the trim sheet. That is all in the trim sheet. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.